Hello everyone, here we are going to do a small lab. I will take two computers, one is here, and we are going to connect with the cable. You can see I am connecting with the cable. Now I will put the IP here. This is just label. I am putting one label here 192.168.1.1 and I am going to assign the IP. Click this, go in the desktop, click here IP config, paste here the IP. Automatically subnet mask will come. And then go here and paste here 1.2 and you can copy this and go inside the computer, go to desktop, assign here IP. So this way we will assign the IP. Now we are going to check the connectivity. Okay, so just I will go here in the PC1. I can say this is a PC1. First we can check the IP address. So I will write here IP config. So this is the IP address of this machine PC1. And here I have another computer 192.168.1.2. I am going to ping that one. So I will write here ping 192.168.1.2 and press enter. So you can see replies coming. That means these both PC are communicating to each other. This is a basic simple lab in Cisco Packet Tracer.